Another day, another outdoor knitting session while my kids play in the wading pool. Look at this. I don't know how. I've split for sleeves on this watermelon sweater. Look at how cute. This is the rest of the skein. I'm almost to the white and I'll be transitioning to the green relatively soon. And so the way I'm managing this is just as it changes colors, I've slowly been pulling out little balls to which I'll then split in half and use for the sleeves so they have a similar gradient to the body. So I think I'm probably going to pull out, once I get to the true white, I'll pull out just a little bit of the white and then probably 2 different colors of the green so that I have a good gradient that matches the body for the sleeves.